Now next step is we'll first fix the corners so that we get to know which side is green and which side is blue. So first this is white, blue and orange. So this is white, blue and red. So let's see if we can place it. Okay, so now we are sure that this is white side and this is blue side and this is red and this is orange. So here it should be blue and here it should be red. So here it should be orange. So we'll have to fix the pieces accordingly. So we have this two blue which we can fix it here. So up, right, up, left, down, right, down, left. Okay, now we'll fix this blue also. So up, left, up, right, down, left, down, right. Okay, so we have two blues which are fixed. We have to fix another two blues. Okay, one blue is here only. So what we'll do is we'll fix from here. So up, right, up, left, down, right, down, left. Okay, so now we are left with one blue, that is here. So we'll first bring this blue over here, up, right, up, left, down, right, down, left. Okay, so now we have to fix this blue over here on this side. So up, right, up, left, down, right, down, left. Okay, so our blue is fixed now, and now we have to fix this is our orange side and this is our red side. Okay, so now we have to fix orange over here. If we are not sure, then once more we can check this. So this is our white side, so that we can double sure that this is the orange side. So this is white, blue and this is orange. So this orange three centers needs to be fixed here. So up, up, down, down. So one is fixed. Now we have to fix another. So up, left, up, right, down, left, down, right. Two are fixed. Now we have to fix the last one. Up, left, up, right, down, left, down, right. So we are through with three centers. Now we have to fix the last center, that is here. So first we'll bring it here, up, left, up, right, down, left, down, right. Okay, so now we have to fix this orange over here. So up, right, up, left, down, right, down, left. So orange is also fixed. So we are through with white, orange, blue and yellow. Now we are left with only two centers. So this is our blue. So opposite of blue is green. So here it is green. So we have to fix green over here. So up, up, down, down. Okay, so one more green, that is here. So up, up, down, down. Okay, and now we are left with last green. So up, up, down, down. Okay, so all centers are now fixed. Now next step is we can fix it like 3 by 3. This is one, this we can consider as second layer and this is third layer, so we can fix it like 3 by 3. So this is green, so first we'll make a cross, then this is our blue, so blue is fixed, and red is opposite blue, red is also fixed, and last is green. Okay, so this is our cross. Now we have to fix the corners. So this is our white, orange and green, white, orange and green. So this is white, orange and green, sorry, white, orange and blue. Okay, so this is fixed, this is white, red and green, so this is fixed, white, green and orange, white, green and orange, this is also fixed, and this is into its correct position but it is flipped. So this is simple corner fixing algorithm of 3 by 3. So now we are through with our first layer, and now we have to fix the second layer. It is now similar to 3 by 3. So this is our red and green edge. So red and green is fixed. Now we have to fix orange, orange and green. So left, so orange and green is also fixed. It is simple 3 by 3 algorithm of edge, fixing the edge. So this edge will come here, so u prime, l prime, again u prime, l and u, then r, u, r prime, sorry, I missed it. So this will come here, so u, R U R prime U prime L prime U prime L. So this is fixed. Now this blue and red will come here, so U R prime U prime L prime U prime L. So now we are through with two layers. Now we are left with last layer only. So we have now we have to make a cross. So it is simple. F R U R prime U prime F prime. Okay, so now we have this parity error which we normally find in 4x4, wherein our edge is flipped. Okay, so now, as you know, this is 4x4 parity. This edge is flipped. So normally we do this algorithm, that is 2R 2B 2U L 2U RI 2U R 2U 2F R 2F Li 2B and 2R. So now we can see these edges are fixed. Now we have to fix this edge is already into correct position. Sorry, this corner is into correct position, this is not, this is not. So we'll do the first we'll fix the edges. So this is into its correct position and this two needs to switch. So what we'll do is these two which are solved should be on back and right hand side, and this should be on front and left. So R U R prime U R 2U and R prime. So now this is fixed, and now we have to fix the corners. So this corner is fixed. Now we have to fix another corners. So it is U R U prime L prime U R prime U prime L. So this is into its correct position, this is also into its correct position. These two are switched. So now we'll use the cuboid algorithm. So that is 2R, sorry, so we'll use cuboid algorithm, that is 2R U 2R UI 2R UI D 2R UI 2R U 2R. So now these two are fixed, these two are fixed. Now we have to fix these two, because this edge and this edge, these two edges are flipped. These two edges are flipped. So first we'll rotate the corners into correct position. RU R prime U prime 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 U R prime U prime R prime U prime. Okay, so now we have these two edges which are flipped, so we need to flip this. So keep this in front of you. This should be on right and left hand side, and we have to perform this algorithm, that is 2u 2r 2f 2u again 2u, then 2f 2r and 2u. So now you can see this, both the edges are flipped and our cube is solved. Thank you very much. If you have any query, you can let me know.